Good morning students, I am Pankaj Singh. Today I am going to explain exercise 2.2 Maths class 7th. So here is question is, which of the following A to D show that number for that. So we want to match the number, which one of the equation of this means जो numbers हैं फिगर से मैच करना है वो कौन से वाले फिगर से हैं. Okay. So let we start question number first. Here is written 2 multiply 1 upon 5. Which one is equation for that? So A is given. There is 3 circle as you seen. Okay. In each circles have divided 3 parts. Okay. As you seen in your book, each circle divide 3 equal parts, and here 2 parts is shaded, this one, and here also this 2 parts is shaded, and here also this 2 parts is shaded. Now which one of this equation? It is first. We want 2 circle, but here is 3 circles, so this condition is not apply here. You see D number, here is 2 circle, and the total numbers of circle have 1 2 3 4 5 equal parts, means there is 2 circle and the shaded part 1 upon 5, means जो 1 पार्ट्स है 2 सर्कल्स में वो शेडेड है और टोटल नंबर पार्ट्स 5 है. तो ये कंडीशन डी को शो करती है. तो फर्स्ट का जो आंसर है वो इस तरीके से है. जो 2 सर्कल्स हैं 5 इक्वल्स पार्ट हैं, 1 2 3 4 एंड 1 is 5. यू सी इन द बुक. जो एक पार्ट शेडेड है, सेम वे ये एक पार्ट शेडेड है, मीन्स 2 मल्टीप्लाई 1 अपॉन 5. तो फर्स्ट आंसर इज डी. ओके. देन सेम सेकेंड नंबर ऑल्सो 2 is 2 1 upon 2. तो 2 सर्कल्स यानी 2 पार्ट्स हैं, तो 2 पार्ट्स एक ये हैं जिसमें हाफ मीन्स पार्ट्स लोकेटेड है. तो सेकंड का आंसर हुआ बी. ओके. यू हैव टू मैच लाइक दैट. आई होप यू आर अंडरस्टैंड. नाउ second number, some pictures A to C are given below. Tell which of them show. So first is second number, first question, 3 multiply 1 upon 5. It will be 3 1 जा 3 upon 5. तो 3 upon 5 means there is 3 picture and there is part of 1 is fill and 5 parts are total numbers of parts. So which one it is? 1 2 3 4 5 here, because here 5 parts are there. 1 2 3 4 5. ओनली इस पिक्चर में 5 parts हैं और एक ईच पिक्चर में एक पार्ट्स है वो फिल हुआ है जो आप अपनी नोट्स में देख रहे हैं. तो टोटल ये कंडीशन बनी, टोटल नंबर कितने हैं 5 और फिल कितने हैं 3. तो ये कंडीशन इस तरीके से बनेगी 1 2 3 4 and 1 more 5, and there is 3 is shaded. and 2 is blank. So equation is 3 upon 5. Which one it is? You see in the book, this one. Okay, like that only you have to fill. First you see the equation, then you see the condition of this. Okay, now third number. So now 3 number. Multiply and reduce to lowest forms and convert into a mixed fraction. So you see this question. Here is 7 multiply 3 upon 5. So you have to multiply nominators. 7 3 ja 21. Only you have to multiply upside, and here is 5. 7 3 ja 21 and upon 5. 21 upon 5. Now you have to convert mixed fraction of this fraction. So here is 21. We divide by 5. 5 4 ja 20. 1 is remainder. Now you have to convert them. How we have to write the mixed fraction? This number goes here, this number goes here, and this number is going upside. So we have to write this 4 is to 4 is here, 4 is to 1 upon 5. ओके, 4 is to 1 upon 5. इसको इस तरीके से चेंज करते हैं जो मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में 4 is to 1 upon 5. ओके, बिकॉज 5 4 जा 20, 20 plus 1, 21 upon 5. We get this number. I hope you are understand. One more I explain. Third number. This is first, third first. This third. That is 2 multiply 6 upon 7. Same way 6 2 ja 12 upon 7. Now you divide by 12 by 7. 7 1 ja 7. Because 7 2 ja 14, it is more than 12. So now you have to minus this one. 5. Okay. So now you rotate. It goes up. It will be here. So 1 is to 5 upon 7. 7 1 is 7 plus 5, 12, 12 upon 7. Okay. Now fourth number. Shade means इसको शेड करना है, कलर करना है. 1 upon 2 of the circle in a box A. Box A is this one. You have to draw the box. You draw all figure by pencil, okay, and fill nicely. And if you have color, you can use it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Means we have to shade 1 upon 2 parts. Means half part we have to shade of them. So we have to color. I didn't have color, but you using color, okay, of this picture. So it is 1/2 parts we have to set it. Okay, and 2/3 means total numbers of parts we have to fill in the triangles. So it is your homework, second, B and C number. Now we have to do fifth number, find 1/2 of first is 24, second is 46. How we have to find 1/2 of means multiply 24. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. It is a 12. The first answer is 12. Okay. Same way, second one is 46. So 1/2 of 46. Simply we have to divide. 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6. It is 23. I hope you understand. Then sixth number, is multiply and express as a mixed fraction. First question is 3 multiply 5 is to 1/5. Okay, so sixth A, 3 multiply 5 is to 1/5. First we have to this equation we change mixed fraction as a proper fraction. 5 5 ja 25, 25 plus 1 26. So 26/5. Now we do multiply of this one. Okay, 26 multiply 3/5. 6 3 ja 18, carry 1. Then 3 2 ja 6 and 1 7. So 78/5. Okay, we get 78/5. Now we change this proper fraction to mixed fraction. 78 divided by 5. 5 1 ja 5, because 5 2 ja 10, here is 7, so it is more than for 7. So 5 1 ja 5, you have to subtract of this equation. 7 minus 5, 2. Then at 8. Then 5 5 ja 25. 3 is remain. Now you have to convert mixed fraction. Before I explain, this number comes here, this number goes here, and this number goes upside. Okay, so it will be 15 is to 3/5. It is the answer of this. Okay, now seventh number, find a half means 1/2 of first 2 is to 3/4. Okay, so 1/2 multiply, we have to convert mixed fraction to proper fraction. 4 2 ja 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11/4. We multiply here. 11 1 ja 11, 4 2 ja 8. Now we doing divide of this 8. So 8 1s are 8. Now you subtract of this equation. 3 is remain here. Now you convert mixed fraction. So it will be 1:3/8. It is only answer. I hope you understand. Now 8th number. In 8th number I give only hints. You solve up this equation. Question is, Vidya and Pratap went for picnic. Their mother gave them of a water bottle that contained 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2/5 of the water and Pratap consumed remaining water. Okay, so here is two conditions. How much water did Vidya drink? And second is, what fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? So first of all I explain how we find the consumed water of by Vidya. First equation, water consumed by Vidya. So Vidya is consumed 2/5. So total here is 5 liter water. Multiply 2/5. 5 to 5 cancel. It will be 2 liter. So Vidya consumed 2 liter water. And second, Pratap, how much Pratap drink? Second, you do subtract of Pratap is 1 minus 2/5. You solve this equation. Okay, so this exercise 2.2 is over. You do the notes of this equation, and the picture you have to use the pencil and color pencil of this, fill the this drawing. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.